this is already looking really good. Eddie's filling in this space. This will be a window and this actually will be closed off, so that will keep all the rain from getting onto the porch. Then this will be screened over here, and so there will be a little bit of weather on this side, but it's going to be better to keep all the weather out from there. So he's got that done, all of that's done, and little Eddie's making an appearance. He's painting what Eddie put up. Looking good.
Hardware that was in that bucket.
Oh.
Cleaned all up. It's up on the
really?
mantle. It's up on the mantle up there, and I'm just finishing the last little bit of this off.
I've got hinges for the door for you.
Yeah,
so
I need those right now.
Yeah, I'll go get them. So these are the hinges that came off the jib door,
yes.
And John's cleaned them up, and they look fantastic. And they do have some writing on them. Oh, we can see how big they are.
Yeah, right.
5.5 by 6.5. Is that what it says?
That's what it says.
So we need. Well, shoot. Does each jib door would have 2 hinges, wouldn't it? So we'd need 4 just for the.
Yeah, we need
for
4
each
just
side.
for each side.
So
yeah,
we need 4 for each jib door. So we only have 2. Is that it?
We only got 2. There was one door that had some on it, and that's all. I haven't found any more, so
we'll have to
we'll
either
use
source
these somewhere
that
else. But they're good ball bearing hinges.
Yeah.
I mean, if you was going to buy one of these right now, it'd be $75.
Dang.
A piece, not for the pair, but a piece.
Those are nice. Well, crap. Yeah. So we either have to find those, or we'll just use different ones for the jib doors, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, I go get the other ones for the door for you.
All right. Throw that off of it, and then we'll might have to go back and ask it all together and see.
That's our door knocker. Excited to put that back on.
Yeah, man. It's gonna be cool.
What did you see, Stanley? What did you see? There was a deer. There's a deer right out there. You chased it off real good. Or did you want to be friends? You would have been friends with the deer? Yeah. Where'd he go? He ran toward the woods because he saw the big scary lion. Now here's the scary lion right here. Balfour. Balfour. You run and get the deer? I'll bring that deer home. So we're over here on the L right now, and it never had been finished at the top. So the guys have got one more piece of siding up, and now they're putting up the same trim piece here that we got over on the main house. So it'll be this 1x4 and then that other piece of trim, a little molding. Little Letty got this priming done. It's looking really finished down here with all that done. So just got a little bit on this end still. Looks like he actually did a little on the end of the main house too, from what he could reach. I think he's gonna have to move all that scaffolding, which is a chore, but got some of it done yesterday. don't spend a whole lot of time down here at the L, so I thought maybe we'd walk around a little bit. The L is interesting because it has this one side, so this on this side and the other side has this one narrow window, but nothing else like that anywhere on the house. So kind of interesting that that's done that way. I'll show you the other side. That window is where a bathroom will be, so you won't see it from the inside there. There's the other one, the other skinny window, which is still a cool window. But did some painting today. Eddie and Jerry Wayne are working on some trim, and there were just a few spots that are around here that for some reason never got any primer. I don't know why. One of them was that I just did up there, and I mean, I guess I know why. That's hard to get to, and it's way up that ladder. Doesn't look that tall from here, but when you get up that ladder, it's tall. So I finally got that done. I mean, that board's been exposed for way too long. So got it done. So the plan is to make this a bedroom, and that skinny window that you saw is a small room that runs through. So one end will be the bathroom, the other end will have like a little twin bed. So this room will actually have like 2 doubles and then a twin and then a bathroom with it. So a lot of people can stay in that room if they want to. So the downstairs, that's the only bedroom. This room we could make a bedroom, but we're just gonna kind of make it a kitchen for now. Does have a brick floor that's kind of rough. I mean, I think a lot of people probably love that anyway. But, to put the bathroom in here, I'm tired from climbing ladders. We were actually going to put the milk house. Oh, it's actually on this side. There used to be a 9 by 9 foot milk house that sat like 6 feet off of here, and it's actually in the Habs. The drawings that we have, they drew out the milk house completely. So we were going to build the milk house back and put a door here that you could walk through and make that a bathroom. But that may be phase 3 or 8 or 10. We'll see. We'll have 3 bedrooms and a cottage that we can rent out. So we'll kind of see how that goes. Can't hold the phone. My arms are too tired. So then the front room on the L, which was the Williamsburg room. And I'll tell you the saddest part about the L is that the bottom floor didn't burn at all. There was no fire problems. There was a lot of water, obviously, from the fire department. And then it rained in the L for a year. So we had to take all the plaster out. So this room is actually got a shorter ceiling. The ground kind of comes up here. So they left the ceilings all the same, and it kind of contours down with the ground. So the ceiling heights are larger on that end. So it's only 8 feet tall in here, but this is what they call the Williamsburg room. And it was painted this beautiful blue color, which we'll do again, but in kind of a colonial Williamsburg style. And we'll be able to get it. Once we put a drywall in here, it's not going to be that difficult. It's got sconces all the way around the room. I know it looks like a complete mess, but we could drywall this room and have it ready to go in a couple weeks probably. It's not that far, believe it or not. So that's a quick walk through of the bottom floor of the L. Maybe I'll take you back through the top, because I don't know if, because we've spent so much time in the main house recently that, oh no, I got to put some paint on that. For some reason, there are just spots like that just never got paint. I mean, like, could go on up, get that. I don't understand it. But anyway, that's kind of what I'm doing today, is getting places that needed some primer. So that's the downstairs of the L. Maybe I'll get you the upstairs tomorrow.